Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to send a message in WhatsApp without saving the number in your WhatsApp here. So you need to update your WhatsApp before using this option here. So first of all, you need to go to your WhatsApp here, and in the right bottom corner you will see a message option here. So just tap on it, and here you will find the option message yourself. So this is the number for you. So just tap on the message yourself here, and here you just have to paste the number that you want to send the message here. So I'm just gonna paste the number here and send it to myself, and this is the number which is not saved in my phone here. So if you want to send a message in the WhatsApp here, just tap on it and it will show you that this number has a WhatsApp account here. So if that number has the WhatsApp account here, you can chat with this number. Also you can call on WhatsApp here. So just tap on chat with WhatsApp, and as you can see, this number is not saved in my phone here, and you can chat with this number in the WhatsApp here, or you can call. So that's it guys, this is how you can send message without saving the number in WhatsApp here. So if you found this video helpful, please subscribe to this channel, and thank you for watching.